Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com. Today, I want to talk to you about how to market your MLM business or your network marketing business. Very exciting topic. Before I do that, though, just hang tight. If this is your first time to my channel, hit that little subscribe button below. And when you have to do that, click on that little bell shape. So you're going to get all the notifications when I put up a video, which is very cool. So how do you market your MLM business? I'm going to really help you out here. Today is one of the, and because, I wish this was my idea. Everybody gets ideas from somebody else, right? See, most people market their MLM business wrong. They really do. And what happens, you really got to keep thinking in stages. And if you ever get on the internet, doesn't it seem like, you're almost in a Walmart store or a Target store because there's so many people trying to get you to buy. So many people trying to sell things to you. So the key is how do you get more eyeballs on your thing? I mean, I know that's what I was thinking about. I do think about that. How do I get more people to take a look at what I'm doing? Well, on the internet or anywhere, but usually we're talking online marketing for your MLM business. There's two groups of people. This one is where everybody does their marketing. Not everybody, but most people do. They market to what they believe are buyers. But in all reality, there's only 2 to 5% of all the people are buyers, are in the buy mode. There's another group over here, right? We got two. This group is in a research group. They're trying to learn things. So instead of marketing to the 2 to 5% of buyers, our goal is to talk to the 95 to 98% of researchers and get them to move closer and closer and closer to become a buyer. So how do you do that? Well, really, there's only one way. In your niche, it could be anything. But what you need to do is provide them with value. Right? Now, maybe this makes sense, but let's think of two scenarios. Let's say you're in the car market, and there's an ad out there that says, hey, buy my, I don't even know what you're trying to buy, buy my, for $50,000, right? Or on the internet, there's 7 tips on why this vehicle would be the best vehicle for you. Or 7 tips on how to find the right vehicle. See, there's one is called buy, and there's one is called I want to teach you and give you some value. So how do you give them value? Right? It's Ray Higdon, and I believe he coined this. It was ILT, invest, learn, and teach. And the invest part is through your time, right? By watching videos like this, or possibly through some money or buy some books or some webinars, and you invest in some things, you learn what your target market is looking for, and then you teach it. Right? And what happens is you're teaching to these researchers, they start looking at you as an authority figure. And they start looking to see what you're doing. And they start trying to find out, how are you marketing your business? How are you making money? That's how you market your MLM business. Or that's how you market your network marketing business. So instead of being the Kmart special, and I shouldn't say that because Kmart's struggling, or Walmart and flashing lights and signs and money things, and man, I just get sick of it. Go here and teach And when you become known as a teacher or somebody that inspires somebody, that's when your business is going to take off. Now, I hope you got some value from that, because that's probably one of the best things I can ever teach on. What I have for you today, though, is I have a free PDF on 6 daily activities. But there's more, but the 6 daily activities that you need to be doing daily. And it's free. All you have to do is look in the description below, click that link, and go get your free PDF. Hey, this is Mark. You take care. Learn how to market your business the right way. Not buyers. Head for the researchers. Y'all take care. Bye.